Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by unlocking the phone and opening settings, then go straight to security and lock screen or biometrics. Select Fingerprint and follow the prompt to verify your PIN, pattern, or password. This protects all future fingerprints. Next, place your finger on the sensor as directed. Press gently, lift, and reposition to capture edges. Do this now because accurate initial scans reduce future read errors and speed up unlocking once enrollment completes. Once done with initial placement, follow the on-screen animation and prompts to lift and reposition your finger several times. You need to cover different angles, tip, both sides, and base, so the sensor builds a complete template. This is why repositioning matters. Make sure to enroll at least one backup fingerprint, like the opposite thumb or index finger, to avoid lockouts when your primary finger is wet or injured. The system confirms each successful scan as you go. You finish by enabling fingerprint options, screen unlock, app lock, and payments, so the recognition is applied where you want it. Test unlocking several times. If the phone fails more than a couple of times, remove and re-enroll the problematic print to improve reliability. If misreads continue, clean the sensor and your finger, then delete all fingerprints and start fresh. This troubleshooting step fixes most issues because dirt or incomplete templates are the usual culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.